You ever wanted to just like throw your phone away? This is what you can do. If you throw away your phone, this is what can happen though. It's very dangerous. You take your phone, cut it on, right? You unlock it. You press 999. And when you press it, this is what happens. Let me show you. I press it, unlock it, 999. That shit raw, ain't it? I know. You like, where the fuck that nigga went? I'm right here. You just can't see me. Stop looking around, bitch. Oh, y'all already know what this is. It's your boy ZZY, Too Fly to Be That Guy. In my previous video, the Snoring Bastard Part 1, I know y'all like that. You know, that was my uncle. He was asleep, he was drunk. And I told y'all that I was going to upload a video every Sunday at 6 o'clock p.m. As you see, that didn't happen because I got a job and I'm now busy as hell. So I'm trying to stick up to it, like make a video on every chance that I can. So here we go. Hope y'all enjoy. Hope you like it. And remember, don't get drunk and sleep because this will happen to you.
T.I. was charged with 2 felonies. Possession of unregistered machine guns and silencers, and possession of firearms by a convicted felon.
This is what you call snoring. The level 10, the extreme. Watch this, y'all. Watch this. Watch this.
At the same time, it was a lot more difficult for me. It was a lot more mental adjustment.
T-Mom is bringing the drama to Monday night.
I don't even know.
You did nothing wrong. I just failed my drug test.
Here you go. Give me 2 minutes, y'all. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Call them bears, baby. We call them bears around here. We call them bears. Look, y'all. See what happens when you get drunk? This is what happens. And if you could tell how loud I'm talking, and he just boom, here you go. Oh, yeah, I feel it. Come on. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. One more time, y'all. One more time, y'all.
One more time for the big bear.
We call them bears. Bears. Fuck a deal. Here you go. If you ever catch yourself sleeping like this, kill your damn self. He's fighting it. He's fighting it.
Don't kill him secrets, man.
He's fighting it, fellas. Ladies, if you ever get a man like this, you should kill yourself. Fellas, if you ever want a woman but you sleep like this, you should kill yourself. Anybody that sleeps like this, period, should kill themselves. And that's coming from your boy Zizzy. Oh. To the extreme. He done dropped the phone. He done dropped the phone, everything, y'all. You know what, we're going to end this because this will never end. I'll be sitting here all night just holding this, making y'all laugh. Watch this. Watch this. One more time. My arm getting tired now. This is the last time for real. Give me one more. Come on, baby. Push it out. Push it out. And that's it. That's it. That's all. That's all y'all get.
So, yeah. Don't drink.
Started.
Zombie on the track.
Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we here. Started from